AI Job Apocalypse, Reality Curator. Welcome back. I'm Adeline Atlas, 11-time published author, and this is AI Job Apocalypse. What gets replaced, what gets reborn, the series where we break down which careers are collapsing under automation and which are rising from the rubble. Today's feature, the Reality Curator, a job that didn't exist a decade ago, but is quietly shaping the future of how we learn, heal, shop, and even grieve. Reality, as we've known it, is no longer enough. Screens are being replaced by simulations. Content is being replaced by experience. And those who can build immersive environments that feel more real than real are becoming the architects of the new economy. That's what a reality curator does. What is a reality curator? A reality curator is the professional who designs, scripts, and engineers immersive realities, whether virtual, VR, augmented, AR, or mixed, MR. Their job isn't just to create visual spectacle, it's to construct alternate environments that achieve a specific goal, whether that's to educate, entertain, market, rehabilitate, or transform behavior. Think of them as a hybrid between a game designer, a spatial psychologist, a narrative strategist, and a human experience architect. They don't just ask what should this world look like, they ask, what should it feel like? What should the person learn? Where should their eyes go? What triggers transformation? And then they build that world, pixel by pixel, second by second. What they actually do. Reality curators work across industries, and their daily tasks might include storyboarding and scripting interactive simulations for corporate training or skill acquisition, designing virtual storefronts where customers can browse and buy using AR glasses or VR headsets, building healing environments for trauma recovery, PTSD exposure therapy, or guided meditations, creating gamified educational realities that teach complex topics through embodied learning, engineering custom realities for influencers, celebrities, or luxury brands as immersive brand worlds, mapping mixed reality overlays onto physical space for use in tourism, museum exhibitions, or real estate. They're not just content creators, they're environment creators. They create the context people experience life through. Why this job exists now. As technology shifts from static screens to immersive environments, we need people who understand not just code, but consciousness. A reality curator knows how to shape perception, direct attention, and create experiences that stick. This role exploded with the rise of VR headsets like Meta Quest and Apple Vision Pro, AR glasses and lenses becoming affordable and wearable, haptic feedback suits, gloves, and motion trackers, AI tools that speed up the design and coding process of 3D worlds, and a cultural shift from passive watching to active experiencing. As the world spends more time inside artificial realities, we need experts to make sure those realities are intelligent, emotionally calibrated, and strategically built. Core skills required. A reality curator sits at the intersection of design, psychology, and technology. Key skills include 3D design and spatial storytelling, using tools like Unreal Engine, Unity, or Blender narrative development, creating branching storylines or interactive sequences, user experience psychology, understanding how immersion impacts learning, memory, and behavior, AI-assisted world building, using tools like Spline, Runway ML, and Gaudi to speed up development scripting with intent, designing realities with emotional impact and user-centered purpose, understanding of AR/VR hardware integration, motion tracking, and accessibility. Bonus, neuroscience, behavioral design, or sound therapy, if working in health and wellness fields. Reality curators don't just build cool spaces, they engineer outcomes through experience. Industry demand and career outlook. Demand for reality curators is exploding across these sectors. Corporate training, where companies are ditching PDFs for interactive simulations that upskill faster therapy and wellness, using immersive exposure for anxiety, phobias, grief, and PTSD marketing and retail, where brands create walk-through stores, try before you buy fitting rooms, and luxury experiences education, teaching anatomy through walkable body tours or geography through immersive field trips, entertainment, building interactive concerts, VR films, and AR live events, real estate and architecture, offering immersive walkthroughs before construction begins. This job is no longer niche, it's becoming foundational to how the next generation learns, heals, shops, and connects. Income potential and leverage reality. Curators often get hired as freelancers or consultants for brand activations, educational projects, or wellness apps. In-house creatives at tech startups, media studios, or ed tech firms, creative directors at experiential marketing agencies, founders of their own immersive service business. Their work is high ticket because it's custom, complex, and emotional. And once a reality curator builds a world, that world can be licensed, franchised, or repurposed. They can also build productized templates for coaching, therapy, or training, create immersive courses that feel like full-blown experiences, sell AR/VR assets, prompt packs, and environment kits, partner with luxury or wellness brands to create branded universes. This isn't just creative work. It's intellectual property. It's scalable experience design. Who this is for. You'd thrive as a reality curator if you are obsessed with how people experience space, story, and emotion. Love designing not just visuals, but vibes, have an artistic mind but want tech leverage, are fascinated by psychology, perception, and behavior. Want to build worlds, not just content. You don't have to be a programmer. AI and no-code tools make world building more accessible than ever. What matters is your vision, structure, and ability to translate feelings into form. The future of the role. As AI continues to automate content creation, the frontier moves to experiences. People will always crave immersion, embodiment, and emotion, and reality curators will be the ones who deliver that. Expect this role to evolve into memory architects for AI-enhanced healing journeys, custom reality designers for personalized learning or therapy, emotion engineers who use neural feedback to adapt experiences in real time, spiritual simulators who build digital environments for transformation, shadow work, or soul retrieval. Whether in health, business, or storytelling, experience is the new product, and the reality curator is the one who makes it real. Reality used to be fixed. Now it's designed. And those who can build it, control it. If you've ever wanted to script the future, not just observe it, you're not just a creative, you're a reality curator. Hi, I am Adeline Atlas, 11 times published author, and SOS, School of Soul has a brand new series, the AI and Future Technology series. Look, you know the world is changing. And no, it's not going back to normal. Normal is over, and what's coming next is beyond anything we were prepared for. The School of Soul, AI and Future Technology series includes 319 videos on 1. The Download Society, How Data Has Replaced Destiny. 2. Predictive Future. Your next moves aren't random, they're forecasted. 3. Social Credit Systems. The behavioral economy now governs access. 4. Hive Mind. Synthetic telepathy and collective algorithmic control. 5. Nanobots inside you. Medical, military, and programmable intrusions. 6. Grief Tech. AI-fueled digital resurrection and simulated comfort. 7. Uploading your mind, consciousness transfer, and data-based identity. 8. Deep fakes plus AI clones. The replication of reality and identity theft. 9. Quantum humans. The merger of biology with quantum systems. 10. Digital afterlife, where your data goes when you die. 11. Resurrection science, reviving life through synthetic methods. 12. Immortal science, the end of death as we know it. 13. Longevity science, gene editing, anti-aging, and bio-upgrades. 14. Designer babies, engineered perfection before birth. 15. Artificial wombs, birth decoupled from the female body. 16. 3D printing, printing organs, limbs, and even humans. 17. The humanoid era, the rise of synthetic beings among us. 18. Legacy humans, the slow phase-out of unmodified analog people. 19. Smart cities, algorithmic environments that watch and decide. 20. Cloud-based societies, citizenship without borders or bodies. 21. Hackable humans, emotion, memory, and behavior under code. 22. Biometric scanning, your body is your password and your prison. 23. Sex tech, intimacy reprogrammed by machines. 24. Extinction of gender, fluidity, deletion, and design of identity. Every topic is fully explored with real-world technologies, patents, case studies, ethical analysis, and future forecasts. These aren't someday discussions. This is already happening. Join the SOS School of Soul Vault to overstand the future before it's implemented on you.